Well, when I was a teenager, my mother volunteered part-time at the Children's Guild in the classroom, and that was at a time when the Children's Guild was just a school, one location. When my mom passed away, it was 3 years ago, my brother and I wanted to make a donation that was really meaningful for her.
Do the floor need to be vacuumed? What you think? I think the floor need to be vacuumed too. The families have difficulties teaching their students day-to-day skills because of their disability. So the vocational room teaches them those skills so that they can be successful day-to-day. Good job jumping out the water.
My brother and I always felt it was really important that school provided opportunities for students to practice hands-on learning opportunities and experiences to be able to transition to the real world. And we became aware that there was a project that was already in the works here to establish a vocational room. We thought this was just a perfect place for our donation to go to. A place that was so near and dear to our mom, and also a place that would help these children build life skills and in a very safe school environment and be able to transition to use those skills in the real world.
Some of those skills would be unloading the dishwasher, loading the dishwasher, folding clothes, washing clothes, vacuuming. We also teach the job skills as well in the vocational room. So we teach them skills as far as shredding and filing and all of those skills.
And I was just talking to the teacher, Cassie, about how it was going, and she just, her whole face just lit up and said the children love it, and it really is about building life skills for these children. So it couldn't be more special.
The students love the room. They love to come to the room. They love to do activities in that room, but they also transition those skills in a day-to-day life.
It just fills me with joy and pride. I am just so proud of what my brother and I chose to do and how receptive the Children's Guild has been to our donation.
I think it's very generous for them to donate. I think, I don't know what the vocational department or vocational room will be without them. So I would love to say thank you.